Leaving Krakow now, after 4 nights of chilling and exploring the city. I gotta tell you something, it's kind of a beautiful place. Warsaw is definitely more exciting, and here it's more green. And lots of tourists everywhere, which is very tiring. But continuing now to Budapest. And today, I'm going to a horrible place. Maybe you already know where it is. Oh, so much traffic. Okay, so now this is a calm path. So yeah, I'm going to Auschwitz, peeps. Pretty horrible place. But when you're in Poland, you just gotta see it. See what horrible things were going on here. Unbelievable stuff. Such a nice path. For a morning ride, almost 9 o'clock. Just relaxing, starting easy. 70k today to Auschwitz. Yeah, so nice to skip all the FOMO in Krakow. That's what happens when you're in a big city. Lots of FOMO. So it's nice to be on the road again. Pretty chill. Just enjoying this morning ride. Having a short break here in this, not a cycling path. Pretty tired. Tired of all of these fumes. I'm not completely recovered, and I think it's because all of the fumes. The air quality here in the roads in Poland is not that great. Otherwise it's a perfect country. Well, peeps, not in a rush today. I don't really want to come to Auschwitz. It's maybe not the place that you're like, oh my god, I just want to come there. So taking it pretty easy. But hopefully I will be able to come in this evening for a guided tour and see the place. So I'm just cycling in this long road by the river, pretty nice. But I'm like, dude, where's the picnic place? There's no picnic places here. Put some benches here or something, some shade. Because it's pretty hot. So I'm gonna find a tree or something. Found a sports field for a break. Waiting for the coach. Continuing after that break. And I was having this thought. I'm going to Auschwitz. Look at this place, it's beautiful. With this river. And the mountains in the distance. Just imagine that. You have this beautiful place and then some peeps heading to their end, being murdered by these horrible Nazis. It's crazy. Now I'm definitely rushing because I want to get early there so I can find a spot for the guided tour. And I'm starting to feel the creeps, peeps. You know, been looking at so much Jewish stuff here in Poland, and this will be the culmination of all these horrors. First in Warsaw, then in Krakow, and now this place. I don't know why I'm doing this, but you gotta do it, you know? Gotta see Auschwitz before you die. It's not on my bucket list, but now it is. So I hope I survive and that it's a good experience. So I can tell my grandchildren. Getting closer. This feels so intense. And people live here and chillax. I don't know if I would like to live in this place. Oh my gosh. I believe the visitor center is somewhere here. This is it. I'm speechless. It seems I was just too late and the tickets for the guided tour are sold out. So I'll have to come here tomorrow at 7:30 so I can check the place out. Here's the place and the gate is blocked, of course. And the energy of this place is very, very nasty, peeps. It's horrible. There's something over there. No idea what it is, but just gives me the creeps. It's here right in front of me. Taken directly out of a nightmare. There's nothing I can't describe this feeling. It's like impossible. I don't believe this is real. Like, not in the worst of nightmares. So much evil and atrocities that humans have committed against each other. It's really messed up, guys. Peeps. I mean, this is so sick. This is so fucked up beyond all reason. Look at that, it's endless. And the thing is that I have no idea what was going on here. If this were, I bet this were the barracks for the prisoners that were exterminated some days or weeks after, I don't know. I'd really like to cry, but it's kind of hard. This is just too much. Maybe after cycling 80k, all your tears have been translated to sweat. This is the site of a former gas chamber. It really gave me the chills because the Nazis covered up all of their crimes. They demolished the building after murdering all those peeps. So yeah, just cycling around the camp and waiting for tomorrow when I'm going in to the guided tour. Really creepy being here.